In today's video I'm going to show you how to refill the HP ink cartridges. So this is the HP ink cartridge 64 black and this is number 64 color. So I'm going to refill these ink cartridges. This is the Kingston refill ink which we can use for HP, Canon, Epson, Brother and Lexmark printers. So let's start with the black ink cartridge, and we also must wear the gloves once we open the seals. So here is in the top section. If we remove this part, here we can see there is a hole in the center and we have to place the black ink there. Same way for the tricolor, remove the sticker so that you can see the holes, and here we can see all the three holes are there. The red will go on the top, blue will go on the right side and the yellow will go on the left side. Now place it at an angle so that it goes deep inside. You can remove the sticker if you want. There are another two holes where we can install the ink. And it goes on the top section here slowly. So this will go on the side where you see the yellow color ink. So that is here. And this has to go on the right side here. So put it at an angle facing down. Now we close the top section. Okay, let's see the quality here. So I would say the colors. The black color is good, there is no issue with that. So the color quality is not that good. If you're just using it for simple work and if you don't care about the quality like the color and other thing, then it's good to refill these ink cartridges. If you really want a very good quality, then you should buy a new ink cartridge. But if you just want it simply for the printing, then you can go ahead and do it. It's a great thing. Thanks for watching.